All right. Thank everyone for coming to my presentation today. I really appreciate it. To hear about computer programming, the pros and cons about computer programming. So you guys will just sit tight and give me a moment of your time, and hopefully by the end of this presentation, you'll be more informed about computer programming. By the way, my name is Glenn Davis, and I'm gonna be your presenter today, and I'm gonna be doing PowerPoint slides to go through the pros and cons of being a computer programmer. And with that, I'm gonna get to the presentation. Thank you guys for being in my camera. Say hey. Okay. See it? Okay. So it's uncut. Okay. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is tell y'all about what programmers do. And programmers, software engineers, web developers, mobile app developers, data scientists, and game developers are among the various programming activities. Programmers use programming languages to create, write, and manage computer programs, applications, and systems. They access user requirements, address problems, and work with teams to develop practical and effective solutions. And those are some of the things that programmers do. There's many other fields to programming. It just depends on what your interests are. And we're gonna go to the next PowerPoint. And now I'm gonna tell you about the pros of being a programmer. So today I want to share some factual information about programming and work that programmers do. As a programmer, I have witnessed the profession advantages and disadvantages. During my research, I have consulted several trustworthy sources, including Mira Shapovalov. Is the camera running?
Get in the camera.
Today, okay, as a programmer, I have witnessed the professional advantages and disadvantages. During my research, I have consulted several trustworthy sources, including Mira Shapovalov, to present a thorough perspective. Writing code to support certain activities in computer application and software programming, and giving them instructions on how to do it is known as computer programming. Computer programmers are experts who write and test code to provide education and education for computers to perform, allowing software and applications to run smoothly. Props of being a programmer, opportunities for lucrative employment, according to Mira Shapovalov. The demand for programmers is progressively increasing, which means many available jobs exist. Programmers typically receive a competitive salary and various benefits in high demand. Professions such as software development and data science and computer programming and coding. Mind-stimulating programming requires problem solving, logical reasoning, which can be psychologically stimulating. According to Vaclav, programming activities can be enjoyable and engaging while providing ongoing opportunities to grow as a person and as a programmer. Creative thinking and new ideas, programmers can use coding and software development to realize their creative ideas. Programming enables the creation new tools, websites, and applications according to Monty L and his colleagues in 2020. Cons of being a programmer. Cons of being a programmer. Tight scheduling and extended hours. People frequently work overtime to complete projects, especially at the most crucial phases of development. So that means that as a computer programmer, you're gonna be doing a lot of sedentary, a lot of sitting down, a lot of work hours to complete projects and things like that. So those are some of the cons of computer programming. And also, some of the cons are learning all the time because language systems and tools for programming change quickly. So one must keep learning to stay current. Marisha Pavona also showed that programmers need to spend time and money on continuing education to keep up with changes in the corporate world. Sitting and leading a sedentary life. Programmers spend most of their time seated in front of a computer, leading sedentary lives. This could impair their health by resulting in back pain, eye strain, and reduced physical activity. According to Monty L., coders can lower these risks by working out frequently and ensuring their workspaces are comfortable. Debugging and problem-solving challenges are also some cons of computer programming. Coding issues fixes and troubleshooting may be very time and brain consuming. According to Baker Loop, coders must frequently handle complex challenges requiring time and effort. All right, the discipline of programming has both positive and negative aspects. When contemplating a career as a coder, examining both elements of the issue is essential. Even though the job can be intellectually stimulating, financially rewarding, and creatively stimulating, it entails challenges such as extended hours, continuous learning, and sedentary lifestyles, and debugging issues. And those are some of the pros and cons of computer programming. And if you guys have any more questions or thoughts about it, feel free to ask. Like I said, computer programming is a rewarding job, but like any other job, it has its pros and cons. So thank you all, you guys, and women for your time and patience and being a great audience. Thank you. Thank you guys.